Hello everybody, have a beautiful day. Today in this video I want to give you an update on my papayas. As you can see, they are doing really good and I'm really happy about these. Before I never seen this size of leaves on my papayas. They are doing really good even though I don't feed them with any fertilizer, chemical, or honestly organic. I never use, even I don't use any anti-insect and pesticide for them. For papaya, as you know, mealybugs and spider mites is a common problem. As you can see, all leaves is not healthy, so I'm gonna to punch off them. I don't want to spray something on them. I want to grow my plant in this way, and honestly I don't know, I should say I'm a natural way or organic way because I don't use any product for my plants and fruit tree. As you can see, I'm gonna to punch off them little bit far from the main trunk. You should punch them like this, and the new leaves are so healthy and it helps for plant grow faster. Honestly, I had 14 plants last year. I brought them in my garden in summertime, but that time they was small and tiny and they got the bird attack and I lost half of them. As you can see, the main trunk is really wide and almost for 3 weeks I got a 6-inch on my papaya. This is really good result. In last summer I just can save 6 of them, and as you know 4 of them are indoor and this is 2 of them. I put them in my yard, and in first time, because they never seen sunlight, I give them 1 hour sunlight, and next I put them in this situation. In this situation they will get a 3 hour sunlight, and next I will change the situation for 5 hour sunlight. Step by step I give them sunlight. As you can see, I punch off first leaves from the main trunk, and you can see the sap start to drop in, and that's not really good. You should be careful about these. When you want to punch the leaves, you should punch them like this, and it helps your plant will be healthy and grow faster. As you know, they are not native to this zone, and I think I'm first one I grew them in this city or in this zone. Some ask me, as you can see, look at these. I'm not sure about these, but it looks like blooming. I hope this is correct and I'm not wrong on these. Hopefully in this year they can get bloom or fruit. We have still 2 or 3 months growing season. Some ask me what's the variety. Honestly, I'm not sure about the variety because I bought the fruit last year from Walmart in Dallas. I think it is Mexican variety. I'm not sure it is Asian variety or Mexican variety. If you know and if you can identify what's the variety, please write a comment below the video for other people knows what's the variety, and I truly appreciate you. As you can see, you cannot compare past leaves with the new leaves. They are doing really good and I'm really happy about this. I hope you enjoy with the video. If you are interested to grow them, I have a video about papaya on my playlist. Please check out my playlist. Thanks for watching me. Bye for now. See you in next video.